order to change video quality on Disney Plus, if you're using mobile device, you need to go ahead, open the app, go to app settings, under video playback and data usage, select automatic, where the quality adjusts to your internet speed. And if you select save data, lower quality uses less data. And if you select Wi-Fi only, highest quality only on Wi-Fi. And for downloads, you can go to app settings, click on download quality and choose standard, medium or high. And on smart TV or Roku, Fire Stick, Apple TV, Disney Plus streams the highest quality available, that is HD, 4K, Ultra HD, HDR, Dolby Vision automatically, depending on your device and internet speed. So there is no manual quality setting on TV apps. To improve the quality, make sure that your internet speed is at least 5 Mbps for HD and 25 Mbps for 4K UHD. Confirm your device and TV software is 4K HDR and ensure that your Disney Plus plan includes 4K. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.